I fixed the static with my radio, so now it's not making this weird buzzing noise anymore. How did I do it? Well, I'm about to show you. So when it comes to the aftermarket radio harness, you gotta make sure it's connected to the proper wires, and don't do these little cheap wires here. Not the one where you just plug in. You just rewire it, cut some wires off, and yeah, pretty much zip tie it. Make sure everything is connected well enough. Make sure it will not actually fall apart. That's a #1 tip. Make sure none of these wires touches. Now you can enjoy radio when you're going down the road.